Hello, first grade. We're going to get started. I'm going to go through your checklist and then we are going to go through a couple of things. As you are working this week, there are a couple of new things that I want you to try. So I'm going to spend some time talking about those. And if you have any trouble with them, please let your parents know so they can dojo me. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to complete this digraph puzzler. And then you're going to do 20 minutes on iReady Reading. And then you're going to complete your grammar slides, and then you're going to complete your math slides with 20 minutes on iReady Math. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the mystery science video, and we're learning about sunlight today. Okay, so these are the slides that are kind of new. I know I've talked about them before, but I think they are brand new to you guys, okay? So we are going to work on digraphs today. So a digraph is when two letters are put together and they make a sound together, okay? So CH makes ch, SH makes sh, CK make k, and WH makes wa, right? Okay, so there is a little key right here to help you, okay? So these pictures right here, this is our puzzler card. This is what we're going to be working on, okay? So we're going to look for the shoes that are up here. We're going to look for the shoes. And we know that if we look for the shoes, we need to drag SH over. So you're going to take your S, you're going to drag it over. And I'm going to do this first one so you have an example. You're actually going to move your S. You're going to put it on top of the shoe, okay? Oh. Okay, you're going to move the S. Sorry. Goodness. Move the S on top of the shoe, and then you're going to put the H on top of the shoe too, okay? Then you're going to come over here, and we have I. So I is for iguana, okay? I'm coming up here, and I'm looking for it on my little cue card to help me. So I'm going to take I. I'm going to move I over, okay? And then I'm going to look for pizza, so it's P for pizza. And I'm going to move my P on top of the pizza, okay? So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come up here. You're going to come up here and you're going to look for the word, the card that has all of them together, has all the letters. So I see S, H, I, and P. This one has S, H, I, and P. So I'm going to drag over this circle to show that this is the card that I solved. And then in this box right here, I'm going to type in SHIP. Okay, so now I'm going to tap it out. Ship. Ship. Okay, that's what you have to do. So dragging over the letters, putting them on top of your puzzler pictures, finding the card and putting the circle on top of it, and then writing it out, okay? This might be kind of difficult your first time doing it, but I think after a while you guys will do really great with it, okay? So I did this one for you. I will leave it like that so you can see the example. So you guys are going to do this one on your own. So we have a set of shoes. So look for the shoes up here. Then move over your letters. An iguana, look for the iguana right here. Move over your letter. And we have F. We have fish. You're going to find the fish. You're going to move over the F, okay? Now this one is kind of backwards. So whenever you move your puzzler cards, you're going to try to find the card that has all of those letters together. The letters might not be in order on this card right here. So this one's kind of tricky. When you find it, you're going to move over that yellow circle and you're going to type it in the box, okay? Doing the same thing on this one, the same thing on this one. So take your time doing these because they're brand new, okay? All right. And remember, when you're done, to tap out that word and try to blend it together to see if you know what it is. All right, this next one that we're going to do for your reading, you're going to drag and drop the pictures to show the story in order. So we're going to work on the sequencing of stories, okay? So it says, it was going to be a fun day. First, I put on my snow boots. Then I put on my hat and coat. Last, I went outside to play in the snow. So you're going to move the pictures of a hat, the snow, or the boots, and you're going to move them to the first thing that happened, the second thing that happened, and the third thing that happened. We needed food. First, we went to the store. Then we got apples, bananas, carrots, and peppers. After that, we went home and ate. So you're going to move the pictures into the correct order of first, second, and third. Nick went to his grandma's house. They played and baked cookies. They had a lot of fun. After a while, Nick's mom came to pick him up. You're going to move the pictures in the right order of first, second, and third of what happens in the story. Okay, last card. I am making donuts with my mom and sister. First, we have to mix everything up. Then we put them in the oven. After they have cooled, we eat them. So you're going to put the pictures in order of first, second, and third. Working on that sequencing. Okay, so this is your math assignment. You are going to drag the number for each set, okay? So you're going to tell me how many's in this set, and you're going to tell me how many is in this set, okay? So I believe drag these objects up here, okay? First grade. I had to figure this out, so I apologize. I had to stop the video and just figure it out really quick. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to count all of the objects, okay? So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? So if we join these together, does it make 10? So if it does, you would move it up here, and if it doesn't, you would move the magnifying glass up here. Okay, sorry about that. I had to see. I thought for some reason you could move those and you can't. Okay. So again, you're going to count all of the objects. If it makes 10, you're going to move this one up here. If it doesn't make 10, you're going to move it up here. Count all of the objects. Figure out if it makes 10 or if it does not make 10. Put it up there. Same thing for this one. And the bananas and the butterflies. Okay, sorry about that, guys. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your mystery science. You're going to learn about sunlight today. Please let me know if you have any questions because we are doing a couple of new things. All right, see you guys.